Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sugar Sus Crypto. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone watching this video. Yes, happy Thanksgiving. I just want to shout out to life. I thank life because it has allowed me at this point to be still happy, healthy, wise, and well self-centered, and willing to be open to share contents for you guys as far as I can. And on today's video, blockchain, the proof of work is not dying, but it's not doing very well, guys. The market right now is sitting fairly high. I mean, it's kind of stable right now at Bitcoin at $4,487 or somewhere around there, and still in the red, and all the altcoins mostly on the red. Litecoin has been doing good. Stellar's doing good. Tether's doing good. Cardano's doing well, of course. And Cardano's a proof of stake, so it's gonna do probably a lot better in the future than any other altcoin that is mined through a proof of work method. On this article by Coinbase, it was just launched today, November 22nd, of course. Norway ends power subsidy for Bitcoin miners. This is not really good, guys. Let's get into the article, and then I'll show you guys that today, well, 2 days ago, I bought $13,764.88 at $640. I already exchanged it, already bought it. It's at Binance right now, but I have to update the Daedalus wallet, and I have to, update my wallet before I want to send these coins into my desktop wallet. Okay, so let's jump into it. The Norway government has scrapped a power subsidy currently granted to Bitcoin miners. According to a report from local news outlet Aftenposten, in state budget, the government said that cryptocurrency miners in the country will have to pay normal electricity tax from the new year. That sucks, guys. They're gonna have to pay normal electricity tax. That's not very way now. Less profit for them to keep. So I don't see the proof of work being something that is gonna be a futuristic cryptocurrency thing to use, because they won't profit as much, and they use a lot of power, a lot of electricity. At the moment, large mining firms receives the same electricity tax discount as other power-intensive industries in the country. Those with a capacity of more than 0.5 megawatts are charged with only 0.48 ore, which is 0.0056 per kilowatt an hour, instead of the standard rate of 16.58 ore, which is 0.019 cents an hour per kilowatts, of course. An ore is 1/100th of a Norwegian krone. That means that eligible miners have been paying just 2.8% of the standard rate to power their rigs. Norway cannot continue to provide huge tax initiatives for most dirty form of cryptographic output like Bitcoin. It requires a lot of energy and generates a lot of greenhouse gas emission globally. Norway parliamentary representative Lars Haltbrekken said in the report. Now, with an end to subsidy, Bitcoin miners will have to shell out higher taxes, which is likely to reduce their net profit at this time when low crypto prices are already putting pressure on the industry. Just this Monday, US-based Bitcoin mining firm Gigawatts declared bankruptcy, revealing in court documents that it owes its biggest 20 unsecured creditors nearly $7 million. The numbers include claims to hundreds of thousands of dollars of two power providers to the firm. The suggestion to remove Norway's subsidy was reportedly proposed by the Norwegian Tax Administration, an agency under the authority of country's Ministry of Finance. The proposal now has been approved by the state's budget and will be effective from January 2019. Roger Shevera, a chief economist of tech industry interest body ICT Norway, told Aftenposten, "This is shocking. Budgets have changed framework conditions without discussion, consultation, or dialogue with the industry." Removing the subsidy will push crypto miners to Sweden and Denmark, he argued, adding that the country mustn't just say no to income and work in many municipalities in Norway. See, this is not so good. I mean, eventually miners in Norway is going to have to start going somewhere else to start mining where they can pay cheaper tax on electricity, which is not very, very good. So I just wish the best for proof of work to continue or to emerge eventually to proof of stake, just like Cardano. That's why I'm very bullish in Cardano. That's why I'm wearing this hat of the bulls right now, because no matter how much bearish times we're facing right now, we got to keep ourselves positive. We got to keep ourselves optimistic about the proof of stake in Cardano and all the proof of stake projects out there. I respect every single project, and I'm not trying to push down Bitcoin or anything like that. Bitcoin have making me really well, so I appreciate Bitcoin a lot. So this is the trade that I did, the open order that I did on November the 20th. As you guys can see, I show you guys that way. You guys, I'm not lying. I'm not trying to get you guys to buy ADA. I'm buying ADA myself because I know that it's a very important project to me right now, and I'm looking forward to the future. I'm not looking at right now the bearish market. I mean, I just want to tell you guys about a $2,000 share for Amazon, and can you believe it that yesterday it was sitting at $1,500? So I'm in minus $500 on Amazon, and that's a stock, a U.S. company stock. And I'm telling you, it's not only in crypto. Things are shaking even in the stock market. So don't feel very bad about it. You know, Amazon's a great company. You know, the blockchain's a good technology. Things are good. It just needs more time. You know, and everything happens in cycles. I think this cycle right now is to be researching developments and start, you know, just investing your money wisely. Whatever you can afford to lose. Remember, don't put your whole savings into investment, because all investments are risky. So you got to be smart with your diversifying your investments. So anyhow, I'm going to download the new Daedalus desktop wallet. Is version 0.11.1 download. I'm going to download it right now, right in front of you guys. That way you guys know that this is for reals. Yes, it is for reals. We love investment. We love it, you know. There's a saying that the poor people like to spend money and buy things on worthless things, and the rich people likes to invest money or spend money on things that will make them more money. And that's the thing, though. You guys gotta remember that that an investment, yes, is risky, but it's better to buy something that can have potential gains in your portfolio than buying something that doesn't give you anything good. You know what I mean? So that is not really cool, right? So this is how much about $649.08, and that would give me an equivalent of $13,764.88. Okay, so I'm gonna shut this down if I can, right? Yep. I think my battery is dying. So anyways, the installation was successful. The software is installed. Good. So we're gonna close down this. It says, do you want to move the installer to the trash? Sure. I don't need the installer anymore. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the new Daedalus wallet. All right, so now that I updated the wallet for the 0.11.1 update, I'm about to withdraw the money now, the 88, to the wallet again. So, and I guess I didn't lie. I committed error. It was not 13,764. If I go to funds right here and I go to balances, it's 13,750, not 13,764. Sorry, but it was that same amount. That's how much I withdraw out of Coinbase. So I guess the fees and stuff, it gets the ADA a little down for fees that they charge, of course, to trade and to send, of course. So I'm gonna go to I can't withdraw. Well, wallet maintenance, withdraw, suspend. Well, I guess they are maintenance. I guess there's doing some maintenance to it. All right, well, I already showed you guys on multiple videos how to send your 88 to your Daedalus wallet. So this is it for this Thanksgiving Day. You guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving dinner with your families, and take it easy and make sure to subscribe, hit the likes. Thank you very much. We'll see you then.